Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
Great, thank you. And you?
All right. Yeah, I'm good. So we have the JOLTS report coming at 3 o'clock this afternoon.
Yeah.
That's Red Folder News. We have the ISM services. And then we have non-farm payroll. Oh, that's the 5th. That's on Friday. So big week. JOLTS report can move the market. The reports from America being quite good, so I would expect that to be good as well, which could be good for gold, because obviously more jobs created, the lower the interest rates can be. But we see the day chart now for today. Got a bit of data because we've been trading since 11 last night. It's done about what it did yesterday in terms of selling. It's been buying, so it's bought back everything it sold yesterday. We've got the hours. So we went down at 2 o'clock yesterday, and then we've been buying since then. A couple of short hours, a bit of retracement there. And now it's been buying, selling, buying, selling, and buying, selling for the last couple of hours. So New York is now open. So let's see what that brings. Usually warms up in a couple of hours. It may stay quiet until 3, until the JOLTS report comes. So maybe anticipation in the market there. So that's you guys up to date in terms of what's going on in the gold market today. My name is Cam. This is my colleague Matez. If it's the first time you joined us, welcome. If you would subscribe and like our channel, we really appreciate it. It's the only thing we ask for. Nothing else. Everything else is free. How are you, Matez?
Great. I'm just waiting for refreshing here again.
Yeah.
And generating a new trading card.
Yeah.
Yeah. Have been on that range, isn't it? The 30, between 30 and 20, 25. And let's see if we get out of that range. Or we can trade on that range as well.
We can trade on anything.
That's it. Let's go another 20 seconds. We'll be able to refresh.
Okay, we're still selling, 70% confidence. Very good.
Yeah.
You should be able to enter that sell.
A price range is really narrow, but is a strong sell. You can enter that.
Let's give you the 1 minute chart. So you should be on that. It's easier to see things.
Can you share the chat with us, Cam?
Oh, sorry. I didn't realize I wasn't sharing.
Don't worry. If you took that is CP1 already. It's 26 CP1.
Oh, look at that go.
Yeah, move your stop loss to break even and book your profits.
Mateus's favorite phrase, book your profits.
That's it.
Welcome all of you guys. Who's on? Come and say hello. Don't be shy. Always nice to know who's around. And are you enjoying the session? Just give us a little bit of feedback.
That's going to CP2 now if it breaks that point. Otherwise, you know what you need to do. Stop loss to break even and take the profits, okay? Was a strong sell. Was very strong sell. And went straight away to TP1. It's still dropping.
So I'll give you the hour to give you a bit of perspective as to what's going on. So we had this morning from 3 a.m. selling hours, buying hours, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, really strong. Well, it's 6 hours, but nothing happened there. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours of buying until we hit 8 a.m. So London brought it down a little. London brought it down a little bit more. And then it took it up, took it up, took it up. Now it's New York. So let's see what happens here. Okay. If we zoom out a little bit onto the 4 hour, you can see where the range is. So this was the drop to the market. Quite a big drop there. That's 4,300, but it's recovered since then. And so trajectory could be either way, depends on what happens with the war and the the ceasefire when that's declared. It will be declared, just a matter of when. And obviously until then we trade. Then we've got some news this afternoon, 3 o'clock, JOLTS report. So market could be a little bit suppressed in anticipation of that. There's usually, if it's high impact news and it's going to move the market, and the JOLTS report does move the market, so it's job openings and something else it's called. How many job openings were created in America? So if you go here, JOLTS report, previous was 6.88 million, I believe that is, and 6.8 is the forecast again. So if it comes in with expectations, it'll stay around. If there's less, then the economy is not doing too well. And if it's more, the economy is doing better than they say it's going to be. So that'll hit us at 3 o'clock. That will move the market one way or another. So then we got, like we said, that's what the hours are doing. Nothing really gone on, to be honest with you, since this movement here. These hours, 45.26 to 37.38, yeah, 100 pips, 50 pips, nothing really. These hours have done nothing. So we'll see.
The sell is still strong. Is between the same price range, very narrow, but you can re-enter that if you want. 27.50, 28. Stop loss at 29. As you can see, it's very narrow now. It's still standard. Then TP1, 25.50, 23, 21, 18, and 15. So you can see we are going towards TP1 now. Let's see if it keeps dropping. If you are positive already with scalping, you can protect your capital always. Move your stop loss to break even and book profits, okay? There's plenty of opportunities. Remember, every 5 minutes, we can refresh and having a new trading card. Patience is the key. Move your stop loss to break even as soon as you're in profit and book your profits, okay? Don't leave the money there. We're scalping. We'll be able to refresh again in another minute. If you're booking your profits, please do let me know. If you're not, tell me why not. Let's refresh again. Another 10 seconds. You'll be able to generate a new trading card. It's good to have on your desktop as well. Have the, as you can see, it's still very strong, the sell. You have a new range, 2650, 27. TP1 2460. Then you have the stop loss, that is the important bit, 2780, and hard stop 2980. We're going towards TP1 now. You should be in profit right now. Make sure you know what to do. Move your stop loss to break even, book the profits. Okay, scalping in and out, guys. Nice TP1 now. He's going towards TP2. I hope you're booking profits on the drop. Strong sell. 75 direction confidence, 81. Overall setup and machine learning 85. As you can see, very strong setup. We went straight away to TP1. It's going towards TP2 now. And if you're holding the top cells, you'll be in a good profit as well. It's coming back. It's not coming back yet to your entry point. If you put your stop loss on the entry point, if you're out, make sure you booked the profit. As you can see, look, the retracement now. big retracement. If it took you on your entry point, that's the way, guys. You protect your
We're going to
capital.
sell there, Moses.
Yeah.
Okay.
Was a great entry straight away to TP1.
Book your profits.
That's it.
Good afternoon, James. How are you? I don't know where you're from. Tell me where you're watching us from. If it's still morning wherever you are, because we're in the UK. It's like the New York session is 1:18 or 13:18 in the afternoon for us. So a bit of news for you whilst you're there. Treasury yields are down, oil prices fall, and Lebanon announces partial ceasefire between Israel and Hezbollah. So there you go. These are all the reasons why gold is going up. The dollar index is kind of, let's see where it's done for the day. The dollar selling is down today, so gold generally goes up when dollar goes down, but it's still at 99, so it's still quite high. That's the index. So ranging market, we trade price action, which means that we don't really care whether it's buying or selling as long as we're in the right direction. And if we're in the right direction, make the trend your friend, it's all good.
We're refreshing again in another 20 seconds. Let's see.
Okay.
The new trading card.
If you want to trade with us and be on the same broker as ours, wanted to teach you and wanted to have direct access to the trade cards and signals, quite welcome to come. Let me see if I need to get that. Somebody's at the door with a delivery.
Yeah.
Give me.
It's still a sell. As you can see, the price had one spike. It's still a sell. Was between 29.50 and 28.50. So you can see a very narrow range. Came straight away to nearly TP1 now. We put 1 minute. 27 will be TP1. And make sure you put the stop loss. Stop loss 30.50 or the hard stop 32.50. Is on that range, guys. TP1 is getting there. Spiking up, is not going to stop loss yet. If you had your stop loss, that is, if you didn't take TP1, nearby TP1, you are on stop loss. You need to be faster on the 5 minutes, okay? The hard stop on that one is 32.50. If you want to hold to your hard stop, it's okay. That is a big spike now. I'm happy with a small profit, moving stop loss to break even. Sometimes you will not have time. You can close straight away your trade, okay? On any pullback, you can close your trade as well. Especially we're doing scalping, 5 minutes. Every 5 minutes we can have a new trading card with new entry point. A big spike. Let's see.
That's the surest thing, isn't it? About the.
Yeah.
Well, you need to watch New York. That's on the day. Really need to watch New York because it does sometimes go down in the first 15, 20 minutes, then it bounces back. I've seen this pattern so many times.
A lot of times.
Yeah.
As you can see, that is a hard stop if you didn't book profits straight away. That's why you need to be faster, especially scalping, okay? If you want something slow, you can go to the 50 minutes, half an hour, or 1 hour. Then you have big range. You'll be able to place your trades. Let's see. We have been on that range all morning. Let's see. Another minute, we'll be able to see again if it's still a sell or if it's neutral or a buy.
So we're on the 5-minute chart there. So you either want the 5 or the 1. We like the 1 minute.
Yeah.
More precise in terms of, it shows you more detail basically. You're zooming in further.
"20 seconds. Let's get prepared. If you have access to the trading cards, just go and refresh that if you're doing the 5 minutes. If you're doing 50 minutes, you need to wait another 5 minutes.
Yeah. And if you haven't got access, Mateus will put up a link. You can join our Telegram community or you can WhatsApp me and we'll get you set up in that. It's completely free. All you have to do is use one of our partner brokers.
A strong buy. Can you see the difference? Is changing the patterns now. It's on TP1 already. TP1 already. That's why you need to refresh by yourself. You need to be in straight away as soon as you get that. Okay, was a strong trading card. We are nearly on TP2 already.
Yeah, I got all of that, Mateus.
I hope so. You're booking profits. That's TP2. Nearly. Book your profits if you can. Move your stop loss to break even.
Look at that.
And that's it. Yeah. Don't leave the money on the table.
I love it.
Don't
you couldn't make this up, could you?
It's scalping, guys. It's scalping.
0 to 0 in 30 seconds.
Yeah. That's why if you want something like with more range for you to place your trades, go to the 50 minutes, okay? 50 minutes plus, you will have more range. But then that short range is good because protect your capital as well. If you go to stop loss, 10, 20 pips stop loss is absolutely fine because most of the time, if you go to TP1, TP2, especially TP2 on that one was 40 pips is more than enough for you to protect your capital. As you can see, TP1 between the worst entry and the stop loss, 15 pips more or less. And if you go for TP2, TP3, you see the power of it straight away. Okay. Another 2 minutes. We'll be able to generate a new trading card. As you can see, it's powerful, very powerful for everyone. Every 5 minutes, we are generating a new card. You don't need to get stuck in any trade, okay? Learn how to move your stop loss quick or book your profits, and that's it. If you are in a very low lot size or micro lot size 0.01, you cannot do much, but you can start to book your profit as soon as in profit, okay? As soon as your account start to grow, then you can grow your lot size as well, eventually. Don't rush that as well. You can do over time. Nearly another 1.5 minutes. Let us know in the comments if you're booking those profits or not. New York session as well. That could be a little bit faster than morning. That's normal. But you don't need to have any fear. You just need to be precise, okay? You refresh, you have your entry points. Don't overthink, go for it, put your stop loss, and then book your profits and move stop loss to break even. Go again. That is the last minute for the 5 minutes. And if you're doing the 50 minutes, you'll be able to refresh again on the 50 minutes. If you're doing the half an hour, now will be the time for you to refresh again as well. And then you can see the big picture.
Hello. Have you? Yeah, it's small enough. I thought you might just give me a second. I'll just mute myself.
4 seconds. As you can see, it's going up. If it's a buy, you know what you need to do. Five minutes is still neutral. And look the drop. Don't do anything, okay? Don't chase. It's just neutral now. Don't chase, please. Just wait for the best entry. And if you went on the 50 minutes, as you can see, it's not a strong signal to buy as well. And if you go on a half an hour, it's still not strong signal as well. Let's stick with the 5 minutes and let's wait for it, okay? Big drop now. We didn't enter anything, it was neutral. As you can see the drop come.
It says, what are you doing? I look away. I look what you do to the market.
No, was what neutral. No trading cards. No updates. We're waiting.
What is New York up to?
New York.
So funny. So that's the hour now. Look at that.
It's a drop on the hour as well, but it's still on that range, as you can see.
It's on the 5 minutes now. Bottom of this range. Came all the way down. Climbing back.
Yeah, we had a buy on the 15 and half an hour, but not too strong. I don't go for it. We're scalping on 5 minutes as well. I stick with my plan. You can have an overlook on the half an hour, 1 hour, as soon as you can. As soon as, like, on the half an hour now, 1:30, we can refresh the 15 and the half an hour. Okay. Then you can see the range. That was not strong enough. Okay, let's be patient. We'll wait another 2 minutes. Now we'll be able to get where the market is going. Okay, if it's neutral, we don't do anything. That is trading as well, being patient and do the right thing on the right time. Okay. As you can see, the time's flying. Another 1 minute and we will be able to see the new trading card. If you refresh on 15 minutes or half an hour and you decide to go to the buy, as you can see, you will be in profits now as well, and book your profits and move your stop loss to break even. Okay. I'm on the 5 minutes. I will refresh now in 40 seconds and I will be able to see if that's going up or down or neutral. Neutral, we don't do anything. Didn't have time to update you. That is TP1 already. That's why you need to be able to press the button, refresh, and go for it. Okay, don't think too much. Go for it. If you went for it,
Was there
you
a
are
buy
in
there?
a buy. TP3 straight away.
Yeah.
TP3 strong buy. A strong buy. TP3. If you hold in that from the 15 minutes or half an hour, book your profits, please, and move your stop loss to break even. That's TP3 on the 5 minutes.
Yeah, just took 80 pips out of one of those trades and 30 pips out of another on 2 buys.
That's great. As you can see, it's all there for you guys.
In fairness, I wasn't using the signals. I just, when it saw it snap down, it always just snaps back up again. So I dropped in 2 cheeky little trades, 130 pips. Thanks very much.
Amazing.
You can't buy experience, can you, Mateus?
No, you need to learn how to walk, then you can jump.
Yeah, yeah.
But yeah, TP5 on that one will be at 38.50. We are on TP3 and TP4 36. Dropping again. Book your profits, okay? You have a good entry. If you refresh with me, you had a very good entry on that trade. It's straight away to TP3. You didn't have time to book TP1 because went straight away to TP3. That means good profit for you. You just need to book it, okay? Don't overthink. Make that mechanical approach.
All within 10 minutes. Yeah.
Yeah.
21 to 33.
Look the drop again. I hope you're not with stop loss now. You are at least with break even after book your profits, because now it's taking everything back again.
And that's why you close your trades.
That's why you don't leave money on the table. Yeah.
Yeah.
We're still on that range. As you can see, it's coming all the top of the range, came down all the way again. And now we just need to be patient, and it's nearly time to refresh again. We'll be able to generate a new trading card, and we will have a new entry point, new stop loss. And there's a lot of more information. If you want to have that, you know what you need to do. Reach out to Cam or me, and you can reach out to Cam on that number if you want. And if you scan the QR code, you will be able to join our community. Okay, I will keep that for a few seconds before the new trading card is nearly there. Another 1 minute, we'll be able to go again or not. Let's see. I will remind you, is scalping. Please get in, get out. Scalping.
So this is the New York session we do every day with you guys, Monday to Thursday. And the London session we do Monday to Friday. Please, please, please like and subscribe our channel. That's the only thing we're ever going to ask you for. And even that's free, right? You'll get notifications every time we're about to go on or when we come on, so it reminds you. And we walk you through the trades, 9 sessions a week. So we're on the air 18 hours a week, which is virtually a part-time job. And if you did 18 hours a week with us, you become a fantastic trader. Just use these sessions to trade with us.
Strong buy is still a strong buy. It's between 22, 24. Stop loss at 19. Hard stop 13. TP1 27, 29, 31, 33, 36. While we're talking, you're supposed to be in profit already. If you press the button.
I'm in profit.
That's it. Nearly TP1. Please, scalping, book your profits. It's pushing. Okay, we are on TP1 already. You know what you need to do. Move your stop loss, book the profits, okay? It's still going up. Move your stop loss to break even. Remember, scalping, we will be able to generate another trading card in another 4 minutes. Don't rush, okay? That is the main thing here. If you learn that, protect yourself. Because you can generate a new trading card every 5 minutes if you want to. That's TP1 is going towards TP2 now. TP2 is at 29. Please don't leave money there. That can go all the way up to TP5. But if you don't have a big lot size, if you're trading 0.01, the first thing you want to do is grow your capital first. Okay? If you keep exposing yourself going to stop loss, you cannot do that. He's still on that range. He's still pushing between 26, 27. But as you can see, can take everything out in 1 second. Don't leave money on the table. Book those profits. Okay? I will keep telling you that because it's important. Less than 2 minutes, we'll be able to generate a new trading card. If you want to generate your own trading card, you know what you need to do. Reach out to Kaan or me, myself, and we'll be able to help you, to support you. It's completely free, by the way. You just need to have one account with our partner broker. Still on that range. Let's see. Last minute, and we will go for it again. If you are doing the 50 minutes, now will be the time for you to refresh on the 50 minutes, okay? As soon as we reach 45, you can refresh on the 5 minutes. If you're doing the scalping, I'm using the 5 minutes standard, by the way. And the recommended one for beginners for start is the 50 minutes standard. You can use that one. You'll have a big range. It will be not fast like we are doing now on the scalping strategy. Another 20 seconds and we'll go for it, okay? Be ready. Have your trading view to see the charts properly. Have your desktop version to refresh your trading card. And have your phone ready. We go for it. It's still a buy. Between 21, 24. 22, 24. Just put the random numbers. Let's see. I take all the pipettes out of it to make it simple for you. And the hard stop is 19.50. TP1 27.50. Then you have 29, 31, 33, 36. Those are the TPs. And if you want to have the hard stop, is 13.50. That's the hard stop. But as you can see, if you enter straight away that trade, you still have the range. Went nearby TP1. It's not TP1 yet. But if you're happy with your profits, you can book it. Oh. You need to make sure you look on the time frame, because I was refreshing on the 50 minutes, half an hour, to give you the big picture. and I was not refreshing on the 5 minutes. And I had a heads up from one of our members. She's using it. Thank you very much. And was a strong sell instead a buy. Okay, the buy is still valid for the big time frame. For the big time frame, okay. For the 50 minutes and half an hour, the buy is still valid. But for the 5 minutes, we will need to refresh again properly. But was a sell and went straight away to TP1 now. That sell reach TP1 on the 5 minutes. No, you're not wrong. That was my fault because I was using the 15 minutes, half an hour. That's I like to stick with only the 5 minutes, because if I click it, I don't change. I will look only on the numbers because I need to update you straight away. But I got some profits on that one. I'm happily, but could be worse, you know. But let's see. I will refresh again in 1 minute, okay? 1 minute, we'll be able to refresh again. Let's go for it. Kan, your camera are funny again.
Not funny, has it?
I'm seeing your phone now. Now we can see your face. No, upside down.
Now I'm upside down. I love it. You couldn't make this camera up. Why did you do this on purpose that you recommended this to me?
I didn't use that one. I just want to do reviews.
You go to the review. Why is Cam upside down all the time on this camera?
I will ask then, yeah.
Look, every time it gets near me, it goes upside down. It's fine before that. Bloody weird thing.
Okay, I hope so. You're still on the sell like our customer, like a
I'm going to be
friend.
upside down. I don't mind.
She's doing very well. She's selling, and it's a strong sell, guys. It's still a strong sell. It's still a strong sell between 2021 TP1 19. We there already. We went for TP1 straight away. It's still,
Sorry,
it's
guys.
still, you're playing that.
I don't know what the hell to do with it.
Oh, we need to have a look on that. But as you can see, it's still sell, a strong sell. On the 5 minutes, I can check now. It's on 5 minutes. A strong sell went to TP1. The TP1 was 19. The entry points 20, 50, 21.50. Very narrow range. Stop loss 22.60. But we went straight away to TP1 on that one. Let me refresh here on my screen. Can you still down?
Right, I'm going to go downstairs. I'm going to grab a bit of blue tack. I think that's what's needed.
Okay.
Yeah, let me go down. Yeah.
Yeah. We need to be very fast on the 5 minutes. For some of, yeah, for some of you will be overwhelmed. I understand, but you can use 50 minutes, half an hour. Okay, 50 minutes, half an hour, or 1 hour. That will give you more room to place the trade. I like the 5 minutes because it's plenty of opportunities. I don't want to miss those opportunities. As you can see now, it's going to TP2 already. It's going down to 17. That's TP2. I really hope you got the time to enter that trade because it was on the range. while I was talking to you and was a strong sell. That could be a potential TP 5. Okay, if you want to hold, you can hold it, but book your profits on the way. On the way down, keep booking your profits. Looks like Khan's camera is fine now. Let's add him. Yeah, he's back.
I used a fabulous bit of tech called Blue Tack to stick it to the back of my monitor.
You see, it's perfect now.
What it does is I think it just creates the actual mechanism for attaching it to the monitor isn't very good. So I think it just moves, then it thinks. I don't know why it turns me upside down, but we've been watching this for the last 4 weeks since we had it. But anyway, it is what it is.
Nearly TP3. I update you that will be a strong signal. TP3. If you're holding, amazing. Just book your profits, please. TP3 already. TP4 will be 12.50 and TP5 will be 9.50. Okay, on that range. I'm not saying you the right numbers. It's a lot of pipettes there. If you have your trading card, you'll be able to see all those numbers, the range, best entry window, the time frame, everything. You'll be able to see all those numbers, all that information. But I'm making that simple for you and put a straight number. You can go for it. As you can see, nearly TP4. I was updating you that is a strong signal, a strong trading card. We cannot call that signal. It's a lot of information to be only a mere signal. It's a very sophisticated trading card.
It's a formula. It's a formula to trade, and you can be so successful with this.
Yeah. Please let us know in the comments if you're taking all those profits, all those sells. Oh, refreshing again. Sorry, nearly forgot. It's still a strong sell, very strong sell. It's between 15 and 16.50. Very narrow range and a stop loss 17.50 and hard stop 20.50. Let's go to the TPs now. Soon we'll be on TP. TP1 13.50. Then 12, 10, 7, 5. It's still a strong sell. You can hold the top one if you're still holding. Move your stop loss now to TP1, TP2 if you want. If you want to give a room, you can keep on break even, but break even at least, okay? Don't leave money there. That's nearly TP1. If you had time to place the trades, nearly TP1. That was a 92 on machine learning. That's very strong sell. 80 on direction confidence and 64 on overall setup score. The only one is not aligning is the overall setup, but as you can see, we went straight away nearly TP1 already. Use your stop loss, use your hard stop if you're using hard stop, but book your profits as soon as we are in profit. Scalping in and out, okay? I want you to be fast. We're finishing the hour now. Be mindful of that as well. Nearly 2 o'clock.
Just give you a little bit of a zoom out perspective. It's a big selling hour. Let's retrace back to this point here. There's another one there. So when we talk about this, that can sometimes become support or resistance when it gets back into there. Market's doing this all day long. It's retracing, it's coming back, it's going forward. It's doing it every single day.
And we breaking one important point as well with 1 hour. You just need to be mindful now is another hour is starting. We can just wait to see if he's still dropping or is going up and retrace a little bit. We will know that in 1 minute. We'll refresh again. If you're holding that trade, it's still good. If you're using the hard stop and stop loss combined, it's still good. Especially on that transition of hour. If you took the trade, it's good to use the hard stop at least on that one, because they need some room for the trade to go. If it's a strong buy or sell, then you'll be on the right direction. Okay. Another 30 seconds will be able to refresh. It's coming down again, yeah.
Still coming down, so that's the hour, a day, sorry. There's your hour. Deep selling now.
Yeah, that's the GP1 already on the last one that we update. If you give some room for that trade, that's GP1. A very good entry point as well. And we'll be able to refresh right now. Be ready and go. It's still a strong sell. It's still a strong sell for me. Between 14 and 15. Didn't have time to place the stop loss. I see on that trade. The stop loss was 16 and the hard stop 19. Okay, the hard stop 19. But we came all the way to straight away. I didn't have time to place the stop loss. I still on that trade. I put the hard stop. Is this transition of the hour? Like I said to you, on those transactions, I used to place my hard stop. The hard stop on that one was 19. We lost your camera. I don't know if you close the camera, but you're having some issues there. I don't know. And be faster. If you see on that trade, the transition of the hour. Some more news later on today at 3 p.m. Will be some movement in the market. We can book some profits to improve the stability. And it's back.
It just cracks me up. Why did you do this, Chippy Mateus?
Nah, I didn't.
You programmed something into it. Did you when I ordered it, did you say when Cam orders that camera, can you make sure it just turns off whenever it feels like it?
We'll have a look on that. Because he's doing that again, and it's not good for you. And let's see, look, guys. It's dropping again. If you hold that on the hard stop, like I say to you, transition of the hour, it's good to have more room. Book your profits and move your stop loss to break even. You don't want to go to the hard stop, okay? As soon as you are in a little bit of profit, book your profits. That could be a retracement. We don't know. Could be a big drop. We scalping. We in and out. We don't care if that goes up or go down. The confidence on the 5 minutes was strong, as you can see, went nearby to TP1 and is coming back now. But is this transition of the 1 hour to another hour? That could be a retracement, because the drop, if you put the 1 hour, you'll be able to see the drop was big and it's just one retracement now.
That's last hour. The green is this hour now.
Yeah. Especially after a big drop, sometimes will be a half candle retracement, and you don't want to be on the sell if he's doing that, okay? You want to be in and out, book your profits, and that's it.
People are looking at the market thinking that's cheap, I'm buying. Yeah, remember, they don't, real traders, as in people that physically trade gold, they're looking at the price, they're not looking at the charts.
Yeah.
Yeah, so they're buying physical gold. That's what determines this price, is the actual asset that's been bought and sold. We just trade the options.
Another 10 seconds. Let's go for it. As you can see, it's retracing. If you reach your hard stop or stop loss, don't worry about that. That is to protect yourself, okay? The 5 minutes is still selling. Very strong sell. Between 20, 21, the candle is going up. Just be careful. Be mindful of that, okay? Just wait for the best entry. Like now is the best entry, is still on that range. The stop loss is 22.83. 22.83. The hard stop 25.79. The candle is still going up.
That's what I'm saying. Be careful.
When something like that, I will just wait for the best entry. I will not enter straight away, because if it goes to stop loss, will be a very small stop loss, okay? And it's going all the way
up.
I
mean, you would have hit your stop loss then if you're taking that trade. So do a sanity check. Look how strong those candles were. Bang, 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 bang. There's confidence there. Price is going back up. Doesn't matter what the system thinks. Now you might be in. Now you might have the opportunity.
Yeah. And we're talking about that as well. That will help you. We're talking about the 1 hour transition between. It's frozen.
What's frozen, Mateus?
I was frozen, I think. Yeah.
You, the chart, or the signal?
Everything for me.
Okay, the system's fine. Talk you guys through.
Perfect.
System's absolutely fine. 68% sell. I just refreshed it on the off chance that Mateus was something was wrong with the system. 21 entry point. TP1 is 20. TP2 is 18. TP3 is 16.
Looks like it's dropping again. 20. Okay. New York session, the scalping, you need to be mindful, okay? Some days the markets will move fast. You just need to book your profits straight away. And like before, we had some TP3s straight away on the 1 minute. You press the button, you went to TP3, and right now you're going to very good profit as well. It's going to TP2, TP3. That's TP3, TP4 in some of the signals. If you hold it when we went up, book your profits and move your stop loss to break even. It's a tough fight between buyers and sellers. We just need to book the profits, okay?
What this should be doing now is the market was rising. You may have hit your stop loss, is that the system is flawless. It was a little bit early, if anything, and that's all it was. But the system, time and time again, proves itself that it was right.
As you can see, that entry point again is another sell. I'll be waiting because we have that candle going up. We are on the range now, 17 and 18. And stop loss really narrow as well, 19. Then you can use the hard stop, 22.50. That's the range. TP1 at 14.50. Then 13, 10, 8, and 5. It still sell, but we're still on that transition of the hour, and the candles are very spiked. You don't want to be out of the trade. Just wait for the best entry and go for it, okay? Best entry only. The entry, okay, is very close to the stop loss. As you can see, you have a lot of information. Entry, okay, but the entry, okay, if you go to the stop loss will be only 10 pips. If you enter that trade, make sure you have your stop loss or your hard stop, and you book your profit as soon as you're in blue, okay? Give me 2 minutes, I will be back now. I will refill my water.
So whilst Mateus drinks his water, so we still, the trade card's still saying to sell. I'll refresh it just for my own information because that gives us a better. So yes, the sell is still very strong according to the system. I remember it's impartial. It's not human. So there's no emotions involved. So still saying sell down to 45.06. So there you go. There's the drop. TP2 down to TP3 for a wick down to TP3. Okay. System still saying sell. And you should if you're out of the trade at 12, 11, even it was been down to TP2. Trade is now invalid from our point of view. If you want to stay in, that's up to you. But we should really be looking for a new signal now, or a new trade card at 14.15. Hi.
Hello, that came to.
Yeah, it did TP2. I was saying the trade's really invalid. If you're still in, that's fine. But we can go for a new signal in a minute. Or a new trade card, should I say.
You'll be able to refresh it now.
Still very confident of a sell at 78%.
Yeah, he's still selling.
Yeah, 79%. Yeah, still saying sell.
I cannot hear you, can?
Have I gone silent again?
Wrong.
Can you hear me now?
Let me see.
Oof. I can hear you, Mateus.
I'll get out, come back again.
Can you guys hear me? So, are you receiving me loud and clear? Or not hear me? No. Can I? Yeah, I can hear the music. Are you receiving me loud and clear? Yeah, I can hear myself on YouTube. Good way to test. Market's really playing games now.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah, it's moving around, but it's really, really difficult trading. Even on a 5-minute trade card, it's hard. And what you need to do is you need to, thank you, Petra. Even with the trade cards, it's tough going. This has been very, very difficult the last 20, 30 minutes. Market making lovely little patterns as it usually does.
Yeah.
Look at that. See what I mean? It's so hard.
Yeah.
And it's been a difficult market. Since the war started, market has been very, very difficult to trade. So if you're trading in this market, and even if you're starting out and you're breaking even, you're doing really, really well. Let me tell you something, the market is a lot easier to trade. And as soon as this war's over, it'll be back to boring, which is what we want. The boring market is what we want, okay?
Another 2 minutes and we will refresh again. Let's see.
You still got workmen in your house, Matteo?
No,
No?
just yesterday they came to
Okay.
check. They
Do you want some of mine?
no.
You
Can
sure?
keep it. You can keep it. They came to check the boiler. They will need to come back again.
Okay.
Setting is dropping now. Let's see what we have. On the next minute, we'll be able to refresh. Time to refresh. Get ready, guys. And go for it. Still strong sell between 14.15, 16.54 is the stop loss. Hard stop 19.97. You can use 20 if you're using the hard stop. The market is quite moving fast. You need to be fast as well. As you can see, nearly TP1 is 12, 10, 8, 5, 2. Those are the TPs. TP1 is starting at 12. Coming back to the range and is dropping again. If you are positive, you know what to do. Book your profits. TP1.
Wowza.
TP1.
Let's move this up a little bit, get a bit of context about what's it doing in relation to the rest of the market. Very low. That's third hour of selling. 1, 2, 3.
TP2.
So giving up all things.
That's already on TP2, guys. Book your profits. Move your stop loss to entry point. At that point, TP3 will be 0.850. If you want to hold, absolutely fine after you book some profits and move your stop loss. You're risk free now. Don't overdo it. Look the wick on that candle as well. You saw on the 1 hour. Massive.
Look at that.
When I tell you on the hour, especially on those hours, 2 o'clock, sometimes we will retrace the hour. And as you can see, we've retraced nearly the last hour and it's coming back now. GP3 on that one is 8.50. We are on GP2 already. You need to book your profits. Just book your profits, and if you want to hold, absolutely fine, but before that, at least a stop loss at break even. Okay, then it's a risk-free trading. You're not risking anything, especially if you have done your target already. If you have done your target, you're still trading now with us, you need to move your stop loss as soon as possible to break even. Okay, that is the key.
There's no news. The market's going down. And sometimes New York does this. It pushes it right down just to bring it all the way back up again. It's not. 44.62 is the low point of the market in the last 24 hours. So it's kind of about 3/4 of the way up. 45.41 is the high point. So looks like New York may or may not test the bottom. It may test the top, but we don't care.
As you can see, if you didn't book your profits, it's coming back the price again. That is the importance of moving your stop loss to break even as soon as you can and book your profits. Okay,
So you saw a guy this morning enter at 28.
yeah,
And was holding, had the stop loss set at 22. We said that's going to get taken out.
yeah.
And he was saying, no, I'm holding. So that was at 10 o'clock this morning. He's going to do
Wait
this for you.
Went a little bit up. I hope so. He booked some profits. If he's still holding, he's out of it.
8. So the market was 41, went to 35. This was 11. It's 10 o'clock. So that hour actually topped out at 35. So he could have got out. And there was another couple of hours when he could have had a little bit of profit. And even the last hour could have been at 34. But then if you come down here, TP was set at 22, would have taken him out. That 10 o'clock hour would have taken him out. This one would have threatened it. And the last hour would definitely have taken him out. And so what I'm saying is, it's pointless sitting there. He had good profit at one point. Take the money and run. And we're not fund managers. You haven't got millions of people.
You could take that profit like 4 or 5 times.
Yeah,
if you
that's the
leaving the
difference.
money. Yeah, that's the difference. Scalping is better because you can take that profit 4 or 5 times. The same profit as you holding to go to stop loss. Don't do that. Keep booking the profits. As you see, the last signal now is still a sell. It's still a strong sell between 14 and 15. And stop loss at 16.50, but it's going up now. If you want to enter on the top of the range, absolutely fine, but put your stop loss or your hard stop. Hard stop is at 20. Okay, then TP1 again at 12. 10, 8, 5, 2. I'm telling you that because sometimes we have that range, that very narrow range. If you enter on the top of the range and it's only 10 pips stop loss, it's worth to take that signal if it's on the top of the range for sure, because then you can make like 40, 50 pips, even going to TP1. It's happening now. as you can see. If you went to 16 and is dropping now to 13, 30 pips there. Don't leave the money. Book it before TP1 if you want, and put your hard stop now, your stop loss at break even now. Keep learning how to do that. Protect yourself always, especially on the scalping. You don't need to leave any room for mistakes. As you can see now, you're in profits. You can book your profits and be thankful. That's TP1. 12 was the TP1 and is going towards TP2. That's 10, 50, that's TP2. Book your profits and move your stop loss. Vincent.
Still selling.
No, he's asking for the QR code. He's with us for a few weeks. He comes and goes, but he didn't join the community yet. You can scan the QR code there. Action.
He'll work it out eventually. Vincent, you'll work it out eventually.
Yeah. Action takers are the money makers. If you keep running around, you'll be on the same position as you were before. Take action. Scan the QR code if you can. I will leave that for 1 minute. Otherwise, you can get back to the video on. But
a still strong sell.
It's still strong
there, it's
sell.
gone. Yeah,
Went
that's where it's gone.
TP3 already. TP3 already, guys. I hope so. You're holding that. It was a strong sell. Book your profits. Move your stop loss to TP1 or TP2 if you want.
Hour now.
Yeah. That can go to 45 if he is still dropping like that. If you're still getting signals like that.
For. That's what they're looking for, 45.
Yeah, it's 45. Could be,
yeah.
Let me see. 45 easily, yeah. Okay, guys, let me know if you book more profits. We are TP3 now.
I'll grab a glass of water, Matthias, whilst you do.
Okay. TP3, and some of them is TP5 already, if you're still holding, okay? That's the power of holding as well. Like the strategy I was teaching one of our members yesterday. He had only 0.01. Minimal that you can risk on the market, 0.01. It's really hard starting like that because if you don't have capital, but I understand. And then if you want to make more profits on that strategy that we are using on scalping and moving stop loss to break even, the best thing to do is book the profit straight away as soon as you can. But instead to go with 0.01 only, you can go 0.02. You put a little bit of more risk there, but on the other hand, if you go to TP1, you put more profit, and you leave the rest to go to TP2, TP3. Okay? Wow, well done, well done. I just saw some screenshots from lovely lady. She's learned how to do that. I'm really impressed. Well done. As you can see, the stop loss is to protect your capital, and if you're doing the 0.02, as I can see there, it's good for you because you can book some profits and leave the rest to go to TP2, TP3s, especially when we have moments like that. A lot of sales, pam, 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 pam. Some of them you can keep at break even, and eventually you reach like some TP5s, TP4s, and that will make a huge difference on your gains on the day. Okay, that is the resilience, and keep doing over and over. I recommend you to use that system, and we have the algo trading system as well. Reach out to us to talk about that, because the algo trading is doing absolutely amazing, and is a way for you to diversify as well. And the algo trading is done for you. You don't need to do anything. You just need to connect with the algo, and the same trades on the main account will be on your account, and is doing absolutely amazing for the last 2 years. And it's not over trading as well. It's like trading 4 or 5 days a month. That means you will not see trading all the time. That's a good thing as well. You don't exposure yourself. Amazing. It's good to see it's not only me and Khan making money, you're making money as well. That is the main thing for us. If you were helping one person to do the right thing every day, that is the key. It's retracing back, but you had plenty of opportunities to book your profits. I didn't refresh that. It's a little bit late now, but let's see where the market is going. It's still a strong sell. The range is still there. It's really narrow range between 11-12, between 11-12.50, and the stop loss at 13.70, and hard stop 70. That's the hard stop. We are on TP1 already. 9 was TP1, then 753 and 4500 is TP5. Okay, that is the range. Very narrow range, but straight away to TP1 is nearly on TP2. So the TP2 was 07. Another fast signal, fast trading card. I'm not on that anymore. I'm just updating you. I'm over my target. Just want to have a break now. We well over my target for the day. Let me just update you, make my life easier now. As you can see, TP2 is TP2 already on the last update, the last trading card. TP5 is 5.50. 5.50. we are on TP 207.50. If you're still on that trade, you know, move your stop loss. Move your stop loss to break even and book your profits. Okay? Don't leave money there. Was an easy and nice entry on that one. Easy to beat you on that one, and it's still on that range, could drop a little bit more. Another minute, we'll be able to refresh. It's going up again. If you book your profits on TP1, TP2, amazing. Amazing. We have some members looking for the algo trading. I was talking about the algo trading as well. Come,
Yeah.
just reach out.
Who's
to
that?
us. And that's on WhatsApp.
Okay.
On the onboarding on WhatsApp, one of our members, lovely lady. As you can see, it's going up again, guys. Hope so you book that profits. Was on GP2. Don't leave money on the table. I will keep telling you about that. And it's a strong, still a strong sell. Amazing. We're selling. As you can see, TP1, TP2, TP3s, and the next sell will be between 11 and 12.50, and stop loss 13.80, and the hard stop 17. Okay, 13.80. We're still on the range. If you enter that now, it will be the best entry, and you need to use the hard stop for that one. It's going all the way to stop loss if you enter straight away. If you use the hard stop, you're still on the trade. That was 17.16, the hard stop. Okay. When I was updating you, went straight away to that stop loss. Narrow range. Remember, very narrow range. That is good to protect your capital, but you need to be fast. As soon as you're in profit, you book those profits. It's dropping now. Let's see if it drops more. If you're still on that trade, you can book some profits. If you had the time to enter on the best entry, amazing.
I'm Tess.
Hello.
I think my camera went off inadvertently. I was just talking to myself. I was saying, you see that retrace back, so huge wicks on both. The body of the candle is quite small. When there's huge movements in any direction, it can just snap back and take you out. So you need to be very careful. That's on the hour. But that's what your stop loss is. That's what your TPs, everything is for. Don't ever think that I'm never going to make a loss. It's never going to hit stop loss. It will hit stop loss all the time. As long as it hits stop loss less times than it hits TP, you'll be absolutely fine.
Yeah, that's the goal.
And we're confident that it can do that.
As you can see now, nearly TP1 if you hold it. Nearly TP2 now if you hold it. But yeah, I'm not placing those trades now, just updating you now. But yeah, if you see the numbers, stick with your rule, make your rule and stick with that. Make that mechanical approach all the time. That will help you to make more profits. That's TP1. You're still on that range. You can move your stop loss to break even and book profits. And wait for TP2, TP3, TP4 if you want to. But on the way, keep booking profits, okay? $0.8. TP2 on that one is 0.770. 0.770 is nearly there. But if he retraces, needs to retrace on your break even. No, not stop loss, not hard stop. Don't keep chasing, okay? Book your profits, wait for the next. And how right now we have the next. It's still selling. It's still a strong sell between 10 and 11.50. Very narrow range again. The stop loss is at 13 and the hard stop at 17. Okay, that's the range. Is still that range, 10 and 11, 11.60. TP1 at 8.50, then TP2 6, 4, 2, and 44.99. That is the TP5. Don't keep holding for TP5s. Don't keep waiting for TP5s all the time. But you can go easily for TP1. Okay, TP1, TP2. Book your profit and move your stop loss.
5 TP1s are equal to 1 TP5.
Yeah.
And they're a lot easier to get.
Absolutely.
Do you think Vincent's found the QR code?
Let's put again. There is a QR code, and also you have Kan's house number there. You can reach out to
There
him.
you go, Vincent.
You have all the information. I will keep that for another 1 minute. Go for it. That's TP1. You know what you need to do. Move your stop loss to break even. Book your profits. Come on, don't leave the money there. Money is money. Action takers are the money makers. Go for it, guys. Take action. Book your profits. TP2. TP2 already. Please let me know you on the comments you book those profits. Don't leave the money there. we'll be able to generate a new trading card now. Another 1.5 minutes. But book your profits. That went to TP2 straight away. Look the wick on the candle, on the 1 minute candle. You need to be fast, but you can do it. It's still valid. That trade is still running. But now you're supposed to be at break even. Okay? Protect yourself. Okay, we'll do something different here before we finish the session. Let me create that.
What we're doing, Matthias?
We're asking questions. Are you booking profit? Oh, I put hide it. Let me rectify.
So we're in the last 10 minutes, guys, of our session today. We'll be back again tomorrow at 8 o'clock. If you're here for the first time, if you would like and subscribe to our channel, we really, really appreciate it. It's the only thing that we ask you for. And you'll get notifications when we're on the air. So it will help you as well as us.
Is there let's move. I don't think so I can move that, but it's just a question. Are you booking profits? Yes, absolutely. Sometimes. I want to see the number 1 and 2. Go for it, guys. If you click on that, you'll be able to reply to us.
What is it that you're looking at? I can't see anything.
It's a pool
Right.
under.
Oh,
I'm
here,
sure.
here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
is that on social media?
it's on social media. Yeah, will be everywhere.
Yeah. Yeah. I don't think it's on YouTube.
Let me see.
Yeah. Yeah, I can see it on Insta and things like that.
Yeah, it's there as well, in YouTube as well. On the left-hand side, you'll be able to see that. If you can reply to us, that will be great. Let me replace that. It's on the top side now. That's it. Let's see. We will be able to refreshing another 1 minute. Last trading card from today. Let's see what we have. And then if you want to be able to generate that trading card 23 hours a day, let us know. You just need to reach out to Cam. We have been sharing a QR code and Cam's number. That is just
straight down.
going straight away to TP4 on that case. Still a strong sell, as you can see. Between 5 and 6 now, 5 and 7.
Tess, let's stay for the job openings.
Yeah.
We won't be doing any signals. We just want to see what the market does and walk you through and have a chat with you. So,
Okay.
Still selling?
It's still selling. It's still a strong sell. 89% on the machine learning. 89% on the machine learning.
Incredible.
And we have been selling for the last 2 hours. And as you can see, a lot of profits to be made. You just need to protect your capital, okay? Learn how to protect your capital, moving stop loss to break even as soon as you're in profit, and book your profits as well. Don't leave the money there, because in 1 minute candle, you can lose all that profit. Seconds. But here is a very strong sell, and that went already for TP1, I think. Yeah, nearly. Is TP1 already now?
Mm-hmm.
If you are on that trade, if you refresh and you book your profits, well done. Especially now we have some news. Be mindful on the news, okay?
So that actual number there that you see on my screen will fill, and we should see some movement in the market, because the JOLTS report is quite an important part of the American economy. It's the job openings that have been created for probably the month of May. So you're heading towards TP2 now. Probably,
TP2.
I don't know whether you hit it already.
Nearly TP2.
Sorry, Jay?
Nearly TP2, yes.
Yeah, nearly TP2. But if you had TP1, take it. Yeah, there's news coming. You don't know what's going to happen to the market.
And we are nearly by a new big number, the 45.
Yeah.
Plenty of TPs. I hope so you got some of those. And most of those, if you are on the last 2 hours selling, and now is the hour change as well. Could be a retracement. Just be mindful of that. And we have some news that could be movements on the market as well. Okay. Remember the last hour, we had a huge retracement and then came down all the way back. Let's see the news.
Okay, should hit us any minute now.
Another 15 seconds for the hour. Still a strong sell straight away.
TP3
Yeah.
that I've got from that old signal. I'm not refreshed yet.
Yeah.
Yeah, TP1's 49. I think it's already did that.
Let's see the numbers.
Oh, wow. 7.6 instead of 6.8. But let's see what that does to the market. They sometimes moves it there and then, and sometimes they take a little bit of time to digest the news, and then it moves. And sometimes it doesn't move at all. But that's it. That's the news of the day is out the way now.
Yeah.
Yeah, job openings. So job openings are good. I think that means that the market will go up rather than down, but that not obviously depends on other factors such as oil and the dollar. See what that's doing. And of course, if interest rates go down, the dollar goes down because obviously people are not getting as much money, much interest in the bank. So they take it out and go into assets like gold. So I wanted to give it a couple of minutes, see if there's any immediate impact on the market. It doesn't look like there is any. But like I said, sometimes they wait until they digest all of this and then the market shoots off one way or another.
Yeah.
So it's time to be careful. But you know what? The trade card's been absolutely fantastic this afternoon. Loads of TP1s and 2s and 3s. So we've hit everything that we could imagine. It's been an absolute pleasure to be with you this afternoon. We will do all over again from 8 a.m. in the morning. And we'll be trading with you as we do every single day. And our motto is trade for yourself, but never by yourself. What that actually means is you're trading for yourself, for your family, for your income, for your financial welfare. But you're not doing it by yourself, right? And they say that if you want to go far, if you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go with a team. So I hope all you guys want to go far and you come with us on this journey, because regardless of what happens, we're not stopping. Yeah, we're going to build this. We're going to build this, and we're going to build this, and we're going to build this. I want to thank every one of the 291 people that have subscribed to the channel so far, and continue to subscribe because of the value that we're offering you guys. You know, there's nothing like this in the market that's as real now, and people that are involved in the business are actually with you. So, you know, I feel so proud of what we're doing, and Mateus is always there, so always appreciate him, and all of you guys that don't recognize, because without you, well, it will still exist. We don't care in the sense that we trade ourselves. That we'd be sitting there talking to each other anyway. So we'll see you all tomorrow. Take care. Take care, Mateus.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye now. So we shall leave. Bye now.